about what they were going to find. I think there, it does raise concern as far as if because there's been a lot of hope, even though there really wasn't as much revenue from the oil tied to it. There was really the drilling activity that we were interested in. So
I think in the short term, the biggest impact is the loss of jobs and investment.
Fantastic news for the Arctic. It removes a major threat to the wildlife in the area, which are already suffering from climate change happening at twice the rate of the rest of the world.
2007 held the record for the most dramatic Arctic ice melt ever recorded until this past hot summer, when that record fell by an area the size of Texas. While many see this warming trend as part of a planetary disaster, others are more interested in the massive oil reserves now opening up in the Arctic Circle.
With this rig, Russia is about to achieve a world first. It will become the only country producing oil in Arctic waters.
Mrs. Clinton seemed to have forgotten about the harmful effects of climate change.
There are other issues at stake. The melting of sea ice, for example, will result in more shipping, fishing, and tourism, and the possibility to develop newly accessible oil and gas reserves.
– 2015 has been another remarkable year for renewable energy. Not only has, for the first time, the percentage of total gigawatts installed in the world now exceeded, in terms of renewable energy installations, that of all other energy technologies put together.
That's the transition away from fossil and nuclear fuels over to renewables.
We're not asking for something really extraordinary. We're suggesting that the developed nations of the world with good research and scientists should get together and solve the remaining problems in gathering, storing and transmitting energy which you derive from the sun, from non-polluting sources.
The question would always be, does it cost more than what we have today? Or how do we finance it? Or is it technically difficult? Will it change my daily routines and stuff like that?
The problems are there, but they can be solved. The signs are good.